Hi guys, welcome to this video. Hope everybody's doing good and well. Happy Monday, the 13th. So yes, today is actually Monday, uh yes, the 13th of 2025. um I do not know if we're gonna have any stimulus check this month. The government basically is shut down. The government is basically shut down. The U.S. government is basically shut down, so we don't think there's gonna be any stimulus check in October of this month. So that's not possible. It looks like because Congress needs to be working together, like the President Biden says. The president needs to be working together. Yeah. Um, so yeah, today is a food review, and is basically this: the Open Nature Fruit Bar Strawberry. You know. All right. So I'm opening it up now, and I have one inside the box. Yeah. All right. So I'm opening this up now. Happy Monday. Hope everybody is doing well and good. Um, Today is Columbus Day, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't be working, and doing our daily uh, job or work. We gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta, if we have kids, we gotta take care of our kids too, and ourselves. And go from there. You know, my fish is doing well. Some of you guys know that I have a fish, a better fish, and she's actually, or it's actually doing well. Um, has clean water, food. Um, so, so I'm gonna feed my fish now. I forgot to feed my fish, so I'm gonna be feeding my fish now. All right. Yes. So I fed my fish, so my fish is doing well now, much better now. Yeah. So what we got here is the strawberry fruit bars from Open Nature. You could get this at Shaw's supermarket, and smells good. Smells like strawberry and stuff, fruity. You know. Yeah. So here we go. Yeah. My fish is doing some acrobatics over there, getting its fit food. It's some pellets that I give her and stuff. I'll give it. Yeah. Yeah. Happy fish. Happy fish. Yeah. Yes. So basically, these fruit bars is not that creamier than the mango. It's slightly creamy, but it's like a little. It's a little creamy. Yeah, but it's not that creamy as the mango Open Nature fruit bar. might do a video, singing video later. Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It could be, yeah, it could be later. You know, and it just tastes good, like a strawberry popsicle should be, I guess. You know, yeah. And you could get these at Shaw's supermarket. You know, yeah. And one bar is 60 calories. You know, yeah. And it says in the box, made with real fruit. You know, yeah. So basically, it has fruit. You know, yeah. It's good. See what my fish is doing. Yeah, she's just swimming, or is just swimming along, uh, around. Yeah. I guess it ate his food. You know. Yeah. It got like a sweetness to it. You know, it's not that barren or bearing. It's not like too much sugar. You know. Yeah. Yeah. It says for sugar. It says it it's 14 grams of sugar naturally, and they added 14 grams of sugar to it. You know, so yeah, and in total for one bar um, of fruit bar, a strawberry, is the sugar percentage is 28%. You know, it's like the inflation, the USA inflation. You know, in interest rates. You know, 30%, almost 30%, 28%. You know, but it's 28. This is food. Interest rates is, numbers and stuff. Yeah. Yep. It doesn't have calories. It doesn't have sodium. You know, it doesn't have fats. You know, it has a little uh, carbohydrates. It's a little bit, just a little slight. It's a little bit. Yeah. Doesn't have protein. It does have vitamin C. You know, a little bit. You know, somewhat. You know. Whew. It's nice and cold, frozen. You know. Yeah. So I give it a 10 out of 10. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. You know, 10.10. You know, so it's good. It's a good bar. good flavor, you know. So thank you very much for watching this video, and you could get your Open Nature strawberry fruit bars, frozen fruit bars at a popsicle at Shaw's supermarket. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys later. All right, bye.